my name is Greg Hume-Powell. I'm the a wingman for the Northern Stars Aero Team. So Northern Star Aero Team number 3. So it's a 15-minute precision aerobatics formation performance. Lots of smoke, lots of exciting crosses. We do full-up aerobatics, rolls, loops, splits, similar to what the Snowbirds do. And yeah, in the Pit Special, which is a proven airshow performer and an exciting aircraft to watch.
Never losing a foot of altitude. Look at him go, folks. He's got to complete this roll within the confines of the air. And he's going to walk past as he gets turned around to set up for this next maneuver, which is called the spiraling tower. This airplane has a 260 horsepower live homing engine. Has wood and fabric construction to keep the airplane light. It weighs only about 1,600 pounds. Has a maximum speed of 211 miles per hour. In his Pitts S2. Straight up into the sky, rolling the airplane so we see the bottom side. Here's something you can't do on too many airplanes. He kicks in hard like rudder. There's one hammerhead, and there's two. The double hammerhead.
Our team lead, Brent Handy, started flying aerobatics about 10 years ago after he flew with the Snowbirds. And from that point on, about 4 years ago, Todd, our number 2 guy, joined him with his own pits, and then I joined last summer. So 2 of us were ex-Snowbirds, so it kind of lent itself pretty easily to doing something like this. And so now we're here doing various air shows and having a great time doing it.
Off to our left. Please welcome Brent Handy, lead pilot of the Northern Stars Aerobatic Team. Into a forward somersault. All 3 Northern Stars are well Air Force veterans, and the master of the night on his next maneuver, which he's gonna do the centrifuge over the nose using the There's another great maneuver Solo with the Canadian Forces Snowbirds. Since then, he's performed over while Brent and Greg roll around the smoke trail produced by Todd's airplane.
It's not our full-time jobs. We all have, as we call, grown-up jobs outside of this. Two of us are airline pilots for a major Canadian airline, and Brent, our team lead, is a military flight instructor with the Air Force, active military. So we do this as kind of a passion of ours, and luckily we have supportive families to support us. This year, just since COVID, we've been sticking to Canada, but we generally do air shows in the U.S. and Canada. It's not international.
The big formation barrel roll, followed by a big formation loop. That's the name. Inspiration is at the heart of the Northern Stars Aero Team performance. Several years ago, victorious Todd is back in the cockpit and flying air shows, proving that anything is possible no matter what the odds. With his flying, he hopes to today and for being such an outstanding audience. They really are, Jimmy. You may get to see